Good evening, Chef. Today, we will be making a simple but easy grilled cheese sandwich. To start this recipe, I'm going to use nonstick cooking spray on my pan. Then, I will spread mayonnaise across both sides of the bread to make sure it can get nice and crispy. Once the bread is ready, I'm going to flip it onto the pan. That sizzling means I need to turn down my heat. Before the bread gets too warm, I'm gonna apply some cheese to start it to melt. Today, I will be using Swiss and cheddar cheese. Now that my cheese and bread are on, it's time to top my sandwich. Oh no, Chef. It looks like my bread is burning. I need to flip it now before it gets too warm. That crispy layer is exactly what I was looking for my sandwich. While the other side of my sandwich is cooking, I'll begin to put away the ingredients I used to make it. Sounds like my sandwich is ready. Let's give it one final flip and see how it looks. Perfect. It's ready to serve. Because it's straight off the pan, it'll be sizzling hot and perfect for the taste testers. Before I finish, I need to add my pickle chips. Looks like my sandwich is perfect. Let's give it to the judges. Well, it's time to judge. Let's see how he likes it. Try getting some of the pickles. They really add the taste. Well...
2 thumbs up.
Well, looks like I might be going to the finals. Thank you for watching.